Travel should be about enjoying new places, not worrying about whether your suitcase will show up. If you're over 60, you've earned the right to travel smarter, calmer, and with fewer surprises. But here's an unsettling fact. Every single day, tens of thousands of travelers lose their luggage, and many never get it back. Airlines lose one bag every second, yet most of these losses are completely preventable. In today's video, we're sharing 10 simple, proven luggage tips designed especially for senior travelers. Tips that can save you time, protect your belongings, and spare you unnecessary stress. Whether you're heading on a cruise, a guided tour, or a once-in-a-lifetime vacation, these hacks will help ensure your bags arrive safely, just like you do. Let's get started. Tip number 1, master the 80% rule. One of the biggest causes of luggage trouble is overpacking, something many of us are guilty of. When a suitcase is packed too tightly, it can burst open during handling or become difficult for TSA to repack after inspection. A simple rule to remember: never fill your suitcase beyond 80% capacity. This gives your belongings room to shift, makes inspections easier, and leaves space for souvenirs without straining zippers or seams. It also makes your bag lighter and easier to lift, which is especially important for joint and back comfort. Tip number 2, create a digital dossier. If your luggage goes missing, airline staff will ask you to describe it. Saying it's a black suitcase isn't very helpful when half the plane has one. Instead, create a digital luggage file. Take photos of your suitcase from all sides. Capture close-ups of unique features, tags, or stickers. Photograph the brand name and model, and take a quick photo of what's inside, organized by category. Store these photos in the cloud or email them to yourself. This makes identification faster and helps tremendously with insurance or airline claims. Tip number 3, choose your armor wisely. Not all suitcases are created equal. Soft-sided luggage may be lighter, but it offers less protection from rough handling or moisture. Hardshell luggage provides better protection against damage, theft, and weather. Look for durable hardshell material, TSA-approved built-in locks, and water-resistant zippers. While these bags may cost more up front, they often save you money and frustration in the long run. Tip number 4, use the airline's free tracking tools. Most major airlines now use advanced RFID tracking systems, but surprisingly, very few travelers take advantage of them. Download your airline's mobile app and enable baggage tracking notifications. You'll be able to see when your bag is loaded, transferred, and delivered, giving you peace of mind and early warning if something goes wrong. Tip number 5, give your bag a backup identity. Those paper luggage tags airlines attach can rip off easily. To protect yourself, create a second ID inside your suitcase. Your full name, phone number with international code, email address, and destination address or hotel. Place it in a sealed plastic sleeve inside your bag. If the outer tag disappears, this internal ID can be the difference between a lost bag and a quick reunion. Tip number 6, use locks that won't get broken. Non-TSA locks may feel secure, but they can be destroyed if security needs to inspect your bag. Always use TSA-approved combination locks. They allow security to open and relock your suitcase without damage, and you won't need to worry about losing a key. Tip number 7, make tampering easy to spot. Even locked zippers can be opened with a simple pen trick. An easy solution: use bright zip ties through the zipper pulls along with your lock. If someone tries to open your bag, the broken tie gives you instant visual confirmation. Bright colors also make your suitcase easier to spot on the carousel. Tip number 8, track your luggage like a pro. Small tracking devices can now show you exactly where your suitcase is anywhere in the world. These trackers offer long battery life, global coverage, and real-time location updates. Place one inside an interior pocket of your suitcase for extra reassurance, especially on long trips or international flights. Tip number 9, get coverage that truly protects you. Many travelers assume airlines will fully reimburse lost luggage, but that's rarely the case. Airline compensation is limited, and international coverage is often lower. Consider specialized baggage insurance or check whether your premium credit card offers enhanced luggage protection when you book your flight with it. This can provide faster payouts and peace of mind if something goes wrong. Tip number 10, treat your claim check like gold. Your baggage claim stub is your official link to your suitcase. Before leaving the airport, take a clear photo of your claim check. Email it to yourself with flight details. If your phone is lost or your bag doesn't arrive, you'll still have everything you need to file a claim quickly and accurately. So there you have it, 10 smart luggage tips to help you travel with confidence, comfort, and peace of mind. Have you ever lost a bag or saved one with a clever trick? We'd love to hear your story in the comments. If you learned something new today or enjoyed this video, please like this video and comment below. And if you want to learn more tips that help seniors travel safer and smarter, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in the next travel video.